Want a healthy snack you can make at home? Let's make peanut butter granola bars. First, heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a square pan with foil or parchment. Spread 3 cups of rolled oats and half a cup of chopped peanuts on a baking sheet. Bake for 5 minutes, stir, then bake 3 to 5 minutes more until lightly toasted. Let them cool. While they bake, make flax eggs by mixing 3 tablespoons of flaxseed meal with 6 tablespoons of water. Refrigerate for 10 minutes. In a large bowl, stir together 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and your flax eggs. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt if you like. Now add your cooled oats and peanuts to the bowl. Mix well so everything is coated. If it seems dry, add a bit more peanut butter. Stir in a 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips, saving a little for the top. Press the mixture into your lined pan. Sprinkle the rest of the chocolate chips on top and press them in. Cover and chill for at least 2 hours. For a quick option, freeze for 30 minutes. Once chilled, lift out the block, peel off the paper, and cut into 12 bars. Enjoy your homemade peanut butter granola bars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe to AI Chef today for more tasty recipes. See you in the next one.